Hello friends, welcome to another exam time for basic Chinese, and the content for today's exam will continue on being vocabularies from random lessons. The first question, which one is the hunter of 星期二? Do you guys remember? A is 星期三, B is 星期二, C is 星期一, D is 星期天, and 星期二 is B. The next question, which one is the hunter of 粉丝? You can try to guess first. A is 粉丝, B 灰色, C 红色, D 棕色, and 粉色 is A. The next one, which one is the hunter of 十月? You can try to recall first. A is 9月, B is 5月, C is 6月, D is 10月, and 10月 is D. Another question here, which one is the hunter of 狮子? I will give you time to think first. A is 青蛙, B is 小猫, C is 狮子, D is 大象, and 狮子 is C. So let's move on to the next question. Which one is the hunter of 蓝? I will explain it later. A is 蓝, B is 臭, C is 好, D is 胖. And A is the right answer for this question. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the hunter of C? Is it A, B, C, or D? A is 金, B is C, C is 子, D is 喜. And D is the correct answer for this question. Moving on to another question for today. Which one is the hunter of Ya? Which one do you think is the right answer, guys? A is 郭, B is 句, C is 牙, D is 平, and C is the right answer for this question. Finally, the last question for today. Which one is the hunter of R? Which one do you think is the correct one? A is 电, B is R, C is 淡, D is 酸, and B is the correct answer for this question. And yeah, that's all for today's exam. Thanks a lot guys for watching my videos. And I hope to see you guys again on our next lesson.